is dry, but the soul carries on. Lord, lead me through the haze until the dawn. I'm reaching out, but home is far away. Give me the strength to face another day. If your mercy mends the debt that can't be paid, then hold the pieces of the man you made. Is that your voice, Lord?